Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Open your textbook, semester 2 textbook, page number 130. See, children, we already finished shapes. So, today we are going to start multiple choice questions, page number 130. Subject, maths. Page number 130, multiple choice questions. Shall I repeat once again, children? Open your textbook, semester 2 textbook, page number 130. In class, we gave page number 129 homework, no children. Are you finished this one? Now we will go to page number 130, multiple choice question. First one is, an orange looks like a, orange you saw no children? Orange looks like a cube, keyboard, circle, sphere. Orange looks like a sphere. First one is D. Want to tick for D. Sphere. Second one. A matchbox looks like a cube, keyboard, circle, cone. Matchbox. We'll see in the home now, children. We'll use matchbox. The matchbox shape is keyboard shape. B, keyboard. Third one. How many triangles are there in the given figure? See, here one figure is there. How many triangles? You want to count the triangles and write. See how many triangles are there. This is 1. This one is 2. So 2. A 2. Fourth one. Which of the following letter in a circle? Circle. See the circle. Which of the letter is there? C. C1. Fifth one. Which number belongs to both rectangle and circle? See the rectangle and circle. See the rectangle and circle. Which number is there? 4. C1, 4. Sixth one. How many rectangles are there in the figure given below? See the rectangles. How many rectangles are there? 3. Here 1, 2, 3. A 3. Now page number 131, seventh one. Anu has 10 1 rupee coins. Anu has 10 1 rupee coins. She put all of them one above the other. What shape will she get? See, if you have 10 rupees, 1 rupee coin means if you one by one you will keep means that will be cylinder shape. Seventh one, D, cylinder. Eighth one, an ice cream cone looks like a ice cream cone. Ice cream cone is B, cone shape. Ninth one, battery cell looks like a keyboard, sphere, cylinder, cone. Battery cell is cylinder shape. Want to tick for cylinder. Understood, children? This is page number 130, multiple choice question. Once again, shall I repeat the answer? First one, D, sphere. You want to tick for D, sphere. Second one, B1, keyboard, tick. Third one, A, second, 2. 2 is the answer, tick. Fourth one, C is the answer, tick. Fifth one, C, 4 is the answer for tick. Sixth, A, 3 is the answer. Want to tick for 3. 7th one, cylinder, D. 8th one, B is the answer, cone. 9th one, C is the answer, cylinder, tick. Understood, children? Now we will go to page number 132. 132 is a money. Sorry, children, 133. See, 133, money. Already I gave notes in the class 1, money only. We use money to buy things from the market. When we will go to market, no children, that time we will use money. Then only we will buy the things. Money is used in the form of rupees and coins in our country. In our country, we will use coins and rupees. Some of the common coins used are as follows. Some of the coins is there, children, in our country. That coins will be 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Coins have two sides. You know, no children, coins have two sides. One side is called head and the other side is called tails. See the one side, take one coin, children, 1 rupee or 2 rupees. See the two sides. One side is head, another one side is tail. Some of the common notes used are so follows. Indian notes. In Indian notes, we have 10 rupee notes, 20 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, 100, 500, 2000. Nowadays, 2000 also is there, no children? 2000 notes. So, in Indian currency, we have some coins and notes also is there. Coins will be 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. Coins have two sides. One side is head, another one side is tail. Rupees also, we have 10 rupees note, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. Now we will go to page number 134. Shall I rub, children? Are you finished? Finish it soon. I will rub now. Write neatly. When you are writing textbook, no children, that time you want to sharp the pencil and write neatly. Don't write dirty handwriting. You want to write neatly. You want to write. See, now page number 134. Page number 134. Expressing rupees and paisa. You want to express, no children. We usually use rupees and P for paisa. See, rupees in Indian currency. This you want to write in the rough note, children. Indian currency, rupees. Short form is like this, children. You want to write this sign for rupees. Paisa, short form is P. See, this is the short form for rupees. This is the short form for P. Rupees means you can write rupees like this also. You can write like this also. Paisa, P, you can write. See, in Indian, in our country, we have 150 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupee coin, 100 rupees coin. Already in your textbook, no children, see, we use these coins. But in one coin, we have two sides. In one side, we have head. Another side will be tails. Notes also, coins this one. Notes. Notes. 5 rupees notes. 10 rupee. 20 rupees. 50 rupees. 100 rupees. 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. In notes, see, 5 rupees notes is there, 10 rupee note is there, 20 rupees, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees notes, 500 rupees, 2000. In our country, Indian currency, like this, children, see, rupees short form, You can write like this sign, rupees, paisa, p. This you want to write in the rough note. Now we'll go to, see, in 1 rupee coin, see, this is the 1 rupee coin. In 1 rupee coin, how many paisa will be there? 100 paisa. See, in 1 rupee coin, we have 100 paisa. Understood, children? In 1 rupee coin, how many paisa will be there? 100 paisa. Paisa are always written as a 2-digit number. In paisa, always written as a 2-digit number. Now we will go to exercise number 1. Now we will go to exercise number 1. Write the money in words. See, in the box, already they gave rupees short form sign is there. 2 rupees 0.50 paisa. Already written in the word. Like that only you want to write neatly. Now I will start. Write neatly. Shalera, this one you write in the rough note. See, first one. See in the box, exercise number 1, children. Exercise number 1. See, in box already given 2 rupees 50. Second one, you want to write second one. See the number. This is rupees sign. 13 rupees 25 paisa. So you want to write first 13. See, already sign is there, no children. You want to write in the words. Write the money in words. Heading also, write the money in words. See, write the money in words. Already they given in the number. You want to write in the words. Now see here, 13. 13 means spelling. THIRTEEN. 13 rupees. Here sign is there. You want to write in the words. Rupees. Now RUPEES. Rupees. 13 rupees 25 paise. 25 paisa. Understood, children? Like that you want to write. Now third one, rupees, 23 rupees 45. Now see here, 23 rupees, 20, without spelling mistake you want to write 23 rupees and 45 paisa. You want to write here middle. And dot is there, no children? Here dot 13 rupees. Dot means you want to write and 25 paisa. 23 rupees and 50 paisa and 45 paisa and 45 paisa. This is yes. Fourth one, 90 rupees 75 paisa. See here, NINETY 90. So many are writing NINTY. That is wrong, children. You want to write NINETY. 90 rupees. 90 rupees and 75 paisa. Now fifth one, 83 rupees 15 paise. 83 rupees 50 paise. 83. EIGHTY. 80 CHREE 83 rupees and 83 rupees and 15 paisa. 15 paisa. When you are writing, no, say the spelling in your mind and write neatly. Sixth one. 16 rupees. 5 paisa. See, 16 rupees. SIXTEEN. 16 rupees and 5 paise. Seventh one. 9 rupees. 9 rupees and 7 paisa. Eighth one. 175. Sorry, children, that is 35. 35. Yes, 100 rupees. 100 rupees and 35 paisa. ₹100, then 35 paisa. I will give 5 minutes to write neatly, children. Write neatly. I will rub. And now shall I rub second and third, children? Second and third. Ninth one. Rupees 81, 80 paisa. Rupees 81, 80 paisa. See, 81 means EIGHTY, 81, ONE, 81 rupees and 80 paisa. Now 10th one. 73 rupees. 73 rupees, 85 paisa. 73 rupees, and 85 paisa. And $85 paisa. Finish it, children. Now we will go to page 134. Page number we finished. Now we will go to page number 135. That is, write the money in figures. They given in the words. You want to write in the numbers. Shall I have fourth and fifth, children? fourth, fifth. Now second main, that is the write the money in figures, page number 135. This is page number, children. Second main, write the money in figures. Figures means you want to write in the numbers. They given in the words, you want to write in the numbers. Now see, only answer I will write. Children, words you want to read here only. See the first one, page number 135. First one is 7 rupees and 35 paisa. See, here rupees is the big form they written. You want to write in the short form. Short form means rupees sign you want to write. Paisa also you want to write P. P you don't want to write, only rupees you want to write sign. First one is, only answer I will write. First one, 7 rupees and 35 paisa means rupees sign. First you will write rupees sign 7 dot 35 paisa. Already they given, no children, like that you want to write. Second one, 45 rupees and 15 paisa. 45 rupees sign first. 45 rupees 15 paisa. 15 paisa. Now third one, third one, 19 rupees and 70 paise. 19 rupees sign, 19, you want to write dot, put dot and write 70 paisa, 70. Fourth one, 25 rupees and 5 paisa. 25 rupees, 5 paisa. See, rupees sign, 25 rupees, 5 paisa. 125 rupees and 30 paisa. Fifth one, rupees sign first. Right, 125 dot 30 paisa. Sixth one, 202 rupees. Rupees 202 rupees. 200 and, sorry children, no paisa here, only you want to write rupees. 202. Seventh one, 27 rupees and 35 paisa. 27 rupees, 27 dot 35 paisa. Eighth one, 69 rupees. Rupees sign, 69 rupees, 5 paisa. Ninth one, 32 rupees, 30 paisa. Tenth one, 59 rupees, 10 paisa. Now we finished. Write the money in figures, children. You want to write neatly. Now copy it neatly. The textbook, you want to copy in the textbook. All are having textbook, no children? In class I saw all are having class textbook. Write neatly. Textbook. Now if you finish, you close the textbook, take maths homework note. Now close your textbook, children. If you finish this one, you close the textbook and take maths homework note. And go to fresh page. Maths homework, you want to go to fresh page. Write maths homework. Shall I write, children? Now I am giving maths homework. See, when you are writing homework note, sharp your pencil and write the date. Which date I gave homework, no children, that you want to write the date. You mention the date. Now see, like this, no, maths homework note. Write the money in words. Leave one line here and start writing here in the second line. Write the money in words. Homework, children, you want to do homework also. After textbook, you want to do homework note. First one. First one is, see, I given in the number, no children, you want to write in the, see, both the line. Touch both the line and put one box neatly and put small sign, rupees sign, 73 rupees, 85 paisa, 73 rupees, 85 paisa. Second one, 83 rupees, 15 paisa. You want to write in the words. Third one, third one, 81 rupees, 80 paisa. Third one is 81 rupees. Third one is 81 rupees. See, short form you want to write. 81 rupees, 80 paisa. Fourth one, rupees, 100. 100. See, 4 numbers I gave children. You want to write in the words. Understood? This is the homework, maths homework. Today we finished exercise number 1. Write the money in words. Write the money in figures. Next class I will give comparing money. Exercise number 2. Understood, children? Also, when you are seeing the online class, no children, that time you want to take maths textbook, maths homework note, maths class work. Also, in the rough note also you want to keep properly and sharp the pencil and be ready with your textbook, children. Next class. Thank you, children.